You slept for 8 hours, but you still feel like you were hit by a truck. You reach for coffee, but 2 hours later, you're crashing again. Why? The truth is, your morning fatigue isn't about how much you sleep. It's about what you do in the first 60 minutes of waking up. Today on VitalPulse, we're breaking down the 5-minute morning routine that will actually fix your energy for good. Step 1. View natural light within 30 minutes of waking. This isn't just a vibe. It's biology. When light hits your eyes, it triggers a timed release of cortisol, which is your body's natural wake-up hormone. It also sets a timer for your melatonin production at night, helping you fall asleep easier later. If it's cloudy, stay out for 10 minutes. If it's sunny, 5 minutes is enough. This is the hardest one, but the most important. Stop drinking coffee the second you wake up. Your body has a chemical called adenosine that builds up and makes you sleepy. If you drink caffeine immediately, you just block it. And when the caffeine wears off, all that sleepiness hits you at once. That's the 2 p.m. crash. Wait 90 minutes. Let your body clear the adenosine naturally first. While you're waiting for that coffee, drink 16 ounces of water. Your brain is roughly 75% water. After a night of breathing and sweating, you are literally shriveled inside. Most of the time, when you feel brain fog, you aren't tired, you're just thirsty. Add a pinch of sea salt for electrolytes if you really want an energy boost. Finally, get your blood moving. You don't need a full workout. Just 2 minutes of air squats, stretching, or a brisk walk around the room. This tells your heart and lungs that the day has started. It pumps oxygen to your brain, clearing out the last of that morning grogginess. If you do these 4 things for just 1 week, your energy levels will transform. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps our new channel grow. Subscribe to VitalPulse for more health hacks. Now, go get some sunlight.